No, Sir Ash, boy, you brave bad. What was it like?
Well, it was an experience that I cannot even put into words. You just have to try to understand. Big up to the entire Yardie Divers team. Follow them on IG at Yardie Divers. Now, from one level of intensity to another, here's the Intense 5. Bill Cosby is a free man. His sexual offense conviction was overturned and he's out. Of course, he took to social media and said he's always maintained his innocence and thanked his many fans for their support.
All right.
Interesting.
Shenseea had a star-studded night in LA recently as she was photographed hanging with Megan Thee Stallion, Busta Rhymes, and even Sham, just to name a few. Plus, it looks like new music is in the making. You go, girl.
Similar to last year, there are a few famous faces in this year's festival song competition, including Ioctane and Statius.
JA was a haven for celebrities recently, including Vanessa Brandt and her family. It's a good look.
And finally, holding the spot this week, Elliot Lewis gets arrested on a bench warrant for not appearing in court when he should have.
They want to lock me out because me tell the police or me tell the people them said don't take the vaccine. So the vaccine thing make a cinema try kidnap me now. This is unconstitutional. I'm not a Jamaican citizen.
Of course, the video went viral and he made bail.
Wowie.
That's it for the Intense 5 tonight. Remember to hit us up on IG at TVJ Intense and tell us what would have made your list. Up next, Romain Virgo talks social media stardom and new music. Intense soon forward.